Hello friends, this is Komal and in this video we'll see installation of Wireshark. Friends, Wireshark is a open source packet analyzer which is used to analyze the packets that are being transferred between us and the network. So in this video we'll see how to install this particular software. So first you go to your browser. Over there you search this Wireshark. When you enter the search button, so you'll get these results. So go to this www.wireshark.org. Once you go there, you are having a tab here for the download. So you go to the download. Now here is the list of executable files that are available, that is Windows installer 64-bit, 32-bit, portable apps 32-bit, Mac OS. So you have to install the one that is for your particular PC. So for that you must know the configuration of your system. If suppose you don't know the configuration, so you go to Windows and here you type system. When you type this in system, so under control panel you will see this option system. Click on that. Here you will be able to see system type. So see here my system type is 64-bit. Okay, 64-bit operating system. So what I'll do then, I'll install this, download this 64-bit executable file. If your is 32-bit, so you go for the 32-bit. So I'll click on it. Now this executable file is getting downloaded. Okay, so once this download is complete, now we'll go for the installation. So I have kept this downloaded file on the desktop, so you will double click it. Okay, so click run. Next, click on I agree. Friends, in case if any of this box is not checked in your case, so you have to check all the boxes and then you proceed for the next. It is asking me if I have to create a desktop icon, so I will check it. You can also uncheck it if you don't want a desktop icon. I'll select next. This is the location. If you want to change the location, you can browse it and change it. Again next. Here it will ask you to install the NCAP, so it is recommended that you should install it. This NCAP is actually used to track the virtual packets. So it is already checked. If it is not, so you check it and then you go for next. It is used for installation of USB PCAP. So if you don't install it, so you won't be analyze the traffic that you can capture from a device connected through your USB. So if you want to capture that packets also, so you have to install this. So I'll check this box. I'll go to install. So now the installation is started. Let us wait it to complete. So this is the license agreement, so you have to click on I agree, and these are the installation options. So you have to check all the boxes, as this is for the NCAP driver one to support your 802.11, that is wireless adapters, that is to capture your Wi-Fi related packets. This is again for NCAP, so check all. Go to the install next button, and here the NCAP is getting installed first. Once it is completed, so you go to next, finish. So NCAP is installed. Now USB PCAP is getting installed, so checkbox, select the checkbox, go to next, again accept the license, go to next, again next, and you have to install it. So installation of USB cap is under process. So once it is done, you can close this, and in the background our Wireshark is getting installed. So once this is installed, you select next. So it is asking that you have to reboot it once the installation is complete. So currently I'll do it. I want to manually reboot later, and then you select on finish. So once this is done, you will see a Wireshark has been installed, and icon is created on my desktop as I have selected. So friends, this was all about installation of Wireshark. The important links I have shared in the description box regarding how to use this Wireshark software. Stay tuned with me for my next video. Thank you very much.